We're a family of 5 who spend most of our summers sailing around in our 28-foot sailboat Helios. Join us as we journey through the rivers and the canals of Europe on our way to the Mediterranean Sea. Hello and welcome to our channel. We created this channel in order to document a trip we will be taking in the spring and summer of 2021, where we will sail our boat through Europe onwards to the Mediterranean Sea. Helios is a Mascot 28, a 28-foot motor sailor from the 1980s designed by Palle Mortensen. It resembles the much more known LM28. The big difference is an added aft cabin on the Mascot, and Palle Mortensen did in fact work for LM before starting his own company. At LM he designed the legendary LM27, known in Denmark as the Volkswagen of the sea. A total of 140 Mascot 28s were produced from 1979 through to 1988. We bought the boat in spring 2017 and sailed her home from Hvalpsund in the Limfjord. Our home port is in Haderslev, which is located at the end of Haderslev Fjord, a lovely fjord which stretches around 10 nautical miles inland from Lillebælt. The port itself is situated around the inner fjord and is made up of different marinas. The Sail Club HSC and the Sail Association HSF. The municipality also has some berthings on the opposite bank of the marinas. For many years we've talked about sailing our boat to the Mediterranean Sea through the canals and rivers of Europe. Helios is ideal for sailing through rivers and canals because of her low keel depth of only 1.4 meters. We plan on spending around 2 months journeying south in 2021. The plan is not set in stone, however, and if we don't make it all the way, then we will park the boat somewhere along the way and continue on the next year. The long-term plan is to spend some summer vacations sailing around the Mediterranean before sailing the boat back to Denmark again sometime. The loose plan is to head into the canals at Lübeck and from there sail towards Holland or Belgium. We would like to visit Paris on the way and will end up going down the Rhone River before entering the Mediterranean Sea around Marseille. 2 years ago we sailed our boat down through the North Sea Canal and into the River Eider in order to try going through locks and see if the whole idea of sailing on canals and rivers was anything for us. Well, here we are down at the boatyard, and right behind me here is Helios. We've got a few projects we have to fix before we can go back in the water, so let's go take a look at it. So, as you can see, I've already painted her in the fall, just when we got it out of the water, but there are still a few things that need to be grinded down and painted before we can finally put her back in the water. Also around here we have the through holes, which I didn't quite get done with, so we'll have to take care of that also. But before I do any of that, we should probably get some power so we can get the batteries filled up. Well, that wasn't exactly easy. Let's get it plugged up. So, for the last project we'll be needing some tools, leftover anti-fouling, pencils, drill, corona mask, screwdriver, sandpaper, scraper, more screwdrivers, even more, very importantly, beers, and some gloves. Let's get to it. So we're back at home, and I just want to show you guys some of the projects we'll be doing here on the boat. First of all, I found this platform on sale during the winter. One of the problems we have on the boat is it can be pretty difficult to get a board down from the water because the current solution, the ladder doesn't stick very far deeply into the water. So hopefully this will help. It comes with this combined ladder, which should make it much easier to get aboard. Another thing I'll be trying to mount is this self-steering device. The last couple of summers here in Denmark we haven't had that much wind, so we've been doing a lot of motor sailing, and when you take hour-long passages it can be pretty annoying to just sit behind the wheel all the time, so this will come in handy. But thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you'll want to continue watching when I mount these things later.